Hello, my name is Alan Noble and welcome to this presentation where we will discuss the ASEA Opportunity. When you start to evaluate a business opportunity, in this case ASEA, many experts refer to looking at the 5 pillars or 5 P's of opportunity. The product you're marketing, the people behind the company, the compensation plan, positioning and timing in the marketplace, and finally your partners and the kinds of training and support that will be available to you. So in this presentation, I thought it would be a good idea to look at each of these pillars in more detail, and of course it all starts with the product. The truth is, you will never grasp the potential for the ASEA business until you fully grasp the potential for the ASEA product. We call ASEA a rare DSA, an entrepreneur's dream. First of all, the product is different. It represents an entirely new category and class of product. The ASEA story is one that has never been told before, and you get to be one of the very first to tell it. Secondly, thanks to heavily patented technology, this valuable difference is highly sustainable. No copycats, no competition. So when someone asks you, well, how does ASEA compare to this product or that one? It doesn't. It literally stands in a class all by itself. And finally, having a sustainable difference is only valuable if the product actually works, if people feel a difference, if it has an advantage in the marketplace. With ASEA, we have a high impact product that gets results, with over 50% of people noticing benefits, often profound benefits, within the first 30 days, and 90% of people noticing benefits within 90 days. Look, the bottom line is, with every great breakthrough comes massive opportunity, and the ASEA technology is poised to disrupt 2 massive trillion-dollar industries, the health and wellness industry and the athletics and sports industry. Combine the power of the product with the fact that we have no competition or copycats, and that we're still a relatively young company. In other words, the vast majority of people have not yet heard of ASEA. This should signal tremendous opportunity to anyone looking for financial security. Now, of course, you could have the greatest product in the world, but you want to make sure that it's backed with a solid, financially stable company, as well as an experienced management team. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about next. The ASEA corporate team is one of tremendous experience, skill and vision. Founder and chairman of the board, Redox is considered by many to be one of the finest strategic business minds in corporate America. Founder and vice chairman James Pack was a highly successful entrepreneur retiring in his 40s. He's got a gift for operations and planning. While founder and CEO Tyler Norton was one of the youngest and most successful executives in the financial services arena. Not only that, but Tyler also shares his father's brilliance for corporate strategy. Now, as important as all of this corporate experience and ability are, I want to point out that these are also men of tremendous principles and purpose. In fact, allow me to tell you a little bit about the story behind ASEA. Redox and James Pack bought a very powerful but unfinished technology from a struggling biotech company. Now, this was purely a business play, as the end goal was to sell it to a pharmaceutical company. They brought in an atomic medical physicist by the name of Dr. Gary Samuelson to figure out how to take this technology to a whole new level. Dr. Samuelson soon achieved the greatest breakthrough of all when he figured out how to create and stabilize these fleeting, very reactive redox signaling molecules outside of the body. Knowing that the product was very safe with 0 levels of toxicity, they wanted to see if people would actually drink the molecules. So they started with a small test group of about 40 people. And when they came back 2 months later, they were amazed to discover that the 40 people had actually grown to 135 people in 20 different countries. In the meantime, a pharmaceutical company flew into Salt Lake City and put a multi-million-dollar offer on the table with one condition. Every single person who was drinking the molecules had to stop. Now, this led to a serious dilemma for Redox and Jim. As they began to hear how these molecules were impacting people's lives, they felt a genuine responsibility to allow them to continue to drink the product, and a real sense of obligation began to stir in them that the world had to know that this powerful redox signaling technology now existed. And so these men of principle and purpose said no to the payout and yes to the people. And what started purely as a business strategy was now a purposeful mission to change lives and bring this powerful technology to the world. And so ASEA was born. And so the ASEA vision is to attain worldwide distribution of ASEA in record time, while setting a new industry standard of professional, principle-based management and the personal development of ASEA affiliated associates. So at this point, let's turn our attention to our business model and compensation plan. When Virtus and Jim turned down the payout from the pharmaceutical company, it left them having to answer this very important question. How do we tell the world that this remarkable, life-changing technology now exists? And it quickly became clear to them that with a technology so new, so advanced, never seen before, that traditional retail was not going to be the answer. Instead, they decided to harness the tremendous power of word-of-mouth marketing, just like the 40 people growing to 135 people, except this time build in a lucrative compensation plan. And of course, we call this business model referral marketing or network marketing. Network marketing is a very well-established industry that has now been evolving for over 60 years. It continually receives praise from leading entrepreneurs and business experts for its ability to allow the average person to achieve above-average success. And the fact is, when all 5 of the opportunity pillars are firmly in place, a legitimate network marketing opportunity can allow the average person to get into business for a few $100s, be their own boss, work part-time, weave the business around their busy schedule, and create part-time and full-time incomes, even have the potential to create significant 5-figure monthly residual incomes. So what exactly is network marketing? Simply put, every manufacturer wants to get their product to the end user, the customer. However, instead of plowing a small fortune into marketing, advertising, distribution, and then retail, a network marketing company allows an independent representative, such as yourself, to connect the consumer with the manufacturer. The company, in this case ASEA, takes care of all of the ordering and payment, shipping and handling, while you get paid a referral commission. Now, you can go out there and recommend ASEA all by yourself, or you can leverage yourself with the efforts of others and build a team of like-minded entrepreneurs to help you tell the world of ASEA. And this idea of leverage is a powerful wealth-building concept, and it deserves a little bit more explanation. Most employees, lone business owners, and even professionals never get to experience the remarkable power of leverage. They do 10 hours of work and they earn 10 hours of pay. With only 24 hours in a day, it's almost impossible to earn beyond yourself. Now imagine you're an ASEA associate. You're excited to share the remarkable ASEA story with others. And the great news is you do not have to be the expert. It can be as simple as handing someone a CD or having them watch this online presentation. And you can get a lot of work done even with 10 hours a week part-time. So you decide to harness the power of leverage and sponsor 5 people to join you in ASEA. 5 like-minded, self-motivated, self-responsible people just like you who are drinking ASEA and recommending it to others, all working 10 hours a week part-time. And you teach these 5 team members to also do the same. They start building their own teams. Each ASEA associate has the ability to be their best customer, recommend ASEA to others, and sponsor other ASEA associates. With just 3 levels of duplication, you would now have a team of over 150 people. And if everyone's just working 10 hours a week part-time, that is a total team effort of 1,500 hours of work in only 1 week. To accomplish the same amount of work all by yourself, you would need to work full-time 40 hours a week for 9 months. That is the incredible power of leverage and ultimately leveraged income. Because if it wasn't for you, none of this business would exist. So the company, in this case ASEA, pays you a percentage on the business that you and your team have created. And since you can build a team as big as you like, there is no ceiling on your income. And now you can earn beyond yourself. Another powerful wealth-building concept that network marketing embraces is the power of residual income, the ability to do the work once but keep getting paid over and over and over again. Well, since ASEA is a high-impact consumable product that gets results and has no competition, this of course can lead to a very strong reorder business month after month, year after year. And since most people have never really experienced residual income, allow me to show you just how powerful it is. To earn $500 a month in passive residual income, you would need $200,000 cash in the bank, earning 3% interest. So do you think it's easier to save $200,000 cash or to start sharing the life-changing ASEA breakthrough with others? Look, earning a passive residual income has already become a reality for thousands of ASEA associates. And with ASEA dedicated to attaining worldwide distribution in record time, you have an opportunity to earn a powerful global income, expanding your business into any country that ASEA is open for business in. Despite being a relatively young company, ASEA is already doing business in North America and several countries in Europe. And of course, this is only the beginning, with additional European countries and other global markets still to be announced in the future. The ASEA compensation plan itself is both fair and generous, relying not just on one compensation model, but pulling the best of the best out of two separate compensation plans, making it a hybrid unilevel binary plan. Now, for someone new to network marketing, this may not mean a whole lot to you, so I've prepared a short presentation that walks through the 7 ways you can get paid with ASEA. What you'll soon discover is that whether your goal is to earn $500 a month in part-time income, or $5,000 a month in full-time income, or even 6 or 7-figure financial freedom, it's all possible with the ASEA compensation plan. At this point, let's turn our attention to ASEA's positioning and timing in the marketplace. I realize there's a lot of opportunity out there to choose from, with hundreds of network marketing companies in the US alone. However, ask yourself this question. Do you really want to be dog paddling at the end of the last wave, promoting just another vitamin supplement, an exotic juice, herbal formula, or energy drink? Or would you rather be right on the cutting edge of a whole new wave? Our heavily patented breakthrough technology puts ASEA in a class and category of its own. Make no mistake about it, ASEA represents the next wave of supplementation, not only in the health and wellness industry, but also the athletics and sports industry. I think it's also important that you're aware of just how early you are hearing about this opportunity. ASEA only officially launched in North America in September 2010, and then we started our expansion into Europe in April 2012. Sales volumes doubled in 2011 and then doubled again in the first half of 2012, and we're still very much in our pre-momentum phase of growth. This is the perfect time to grab hold of this opportunity, get to work, and build a rock-solid ASEA business. So to wrap up this presentation, I want to briefly touch on the final pillar of opportunity, your partners. As an ASEA associate, you will be in business for yourself, but you will certainly not be by yourself. We offer presentation, training, and ongoing support tools to help you build your business. And you can use this presentation site to help tell every aspect of the ASEA story. You will have access to training modules that will walk you through the process of building your business. And then imagine being able to plug into a daily support call where you can hear product testimonials and ASEA leaders openly sharing training and business building tips. All in all, we're here to help you achieve the success that you deserve. Look, the bottom line is everything is in place for you to achieve whatever it is you want out of ASEA. We have the right product. We've got the right people behind the company. We've got a lucrative compensation plan, perfect timing and positioning, and the right partners to work with on a daily basis. The only thing that's missing in ASEA is you. So where do you see yourself? As a customer improving your own health or athletic performance? Or perhaps as a business builder where you can earn a significant part-time income while impacting the health and well-being of others? Or perhaps you've seen the big picture here, where all 5 pillars of opportunity are coming together in a very unique way, giving you the potential of true financial freedom, of taking back control of your financial future. Well, getting started as an ASEA associate could not be simpler. First off, visit the Team ASEA website of the person who introduced you to ASEA, click on the Join button, choose your country of residence, and go through a short online registration. For $40, you will get your own Team ASEA website an informative starter kit, as well as a position in the compensation plan. The next step is to activate your business with a one-time order. Now, if your budget is tight, you can choose the 1 or 2 case pack. However, if your finances allow it, we absolutely recommend the heavily discounted 4 or 8 case pack. The 4 case pack, for example, saves you $110 off the regular associate price. That's almost a free case of product. And it's important to note that these discounts are only available at time of enrollment. You're also going to want to set up a very user-friendly auto ship that can be cancelled at any time. After all, you want to become your very best customer, a product of the product. And then plug into the trainings and support calls and learn the simple skills that will help you effectively share the remarkable ASEA breakthrough and opportunity with others. And so I want to thank you for your valuable time today and learning more about ASEA. I believe there's nothing better than making a living while making a difference. And with ASEA, that's exactly what you get to do. In fact, you could say that the size of your commission check is a direct reflection of lives changed. So this is Alan Noble wishing you all the success that you deserve, and bye for now.